Guys, I'm excited as hell, and I'm gonna tell you why. Now, I've always wanted to be able to travel and have my own contained little camper so I can, go out west and see everything. But have you guys seen these things lately? They got these campers that will fit in the back of even like a small Maverick truck, which is what I have. And it's an Outlander camper shell with a pop-up tent. That's amazing. Now, the thing is, if you get these from these companies here in the States, they're getting them from China. They buy them in bulk and they're marking them up like crazy. But I found out a secret. I went to Alibaba, put out an inquiry, and nearly 10, 15 companies contacted me with all the information I need to know, and they were just so helpful. And I finally decided to go with one company, but I haven't actually placed my order yet. But man, they can answer all your questions. They even send you like the options list. They take care of all of the shipping, customs. They give you like a printout, like a diagram of like the dimensions and everything. Now these things are really nice because you can sleep 2 to 3 people in there, and it's just like a topper shell, and then you pop it up. The one I want, you pop it up, as you can see back here. You pop it up, and it's like a queen side bed up top, and you actually stand up inside of it, and you don't have to go outside of the truck to, change your clothes or whatever. But now, that's the good thing about it. Another good thing is the price. I can have this thing delivered right to my door for $4,400. Whereas if I bought it from a company here in the States, they want about 10 grand, and I have to drive my truck out west for them to install it and stuff, and that's an additional fee. But this is my only problem, which has caused me not to order it yet. The problem is when they deliver the freight truck or box truck, whatever they bring it, whether it has a lift gate or not, the driver's not going to unload it. So when they come to your house, you have to have a whole bunch of friends to help you get it off, or someone with a forklift. And I'm working on that part right now. But yeah, it comes in 2 crates. One crate weighs about 300 pounds and one weighs about 200. But the bigger crate is the actual tent that goes on top. That's I think about maybe 1 inch thick by 5.5 inches high by like 8 feet long, which is it's quite large. But I'm willing to deal with that. Now let me know in the comments, would you guys be willing to do something like this? Take a chance, order this tent from China, get it over here, and give it a go and get it put on your truck and stuff and see how it works out. I'm willing to do that. It's just the only thing is what I just told you about, having to drop it off and not having anyone to help me get out the truck. Another thing, the actual camper shell portion of it, it comes in like I think what 6 pieces, and no 5 pieces, and you just got to literally let's bolt them together and get that on. That's not that bad because it only weighs I think about 120 pounds or so, but the tent part is the killer. But I think I'm going to do this, but I want you guys' opinion first. What would you do? Do you think it's worth it to have your own pop-up camper on the back of your little Ford Maverick truck? That's almost unheard of. And the total thing only weighs, with the pop-up and the camper shell, total weight, I think is right around 500 pounds. And the bed has a payload of 1,500 pounds. So I think I'm going to do it. I want you guys to follow me and see what happens, because when I do it, I'm gonna go through the whole process of how I got it, payment, shipment, delivery, put together, all that stuff. But it's important to me to find out from you guys. Please let me know in the comments. Would you order something like this for your little Maverick truck and attempt to go see America? I am. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, follow, like, and subscribe. It's Cleve from Cleve's Insights. Out here.